Flood warning in effect from late tonight to early tomorrow afternoon. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Dan River near Wentworth. When? From late tonight to early tomorrow afternoon. Impacts at 19.0 feet, minor flood stage. Flooding of lowlands and 1 or 2 roads. Additional details at 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. The stage was 14.9 feet. The bankful stage is 18.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage just after midnight tonight to a crest of 19.1 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow morning. Flood stage is 19.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 19.1 feet on October 30th, 2020. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood and end.